Greetings, dear viewers. We, the Media Club members, present to you the news coverage for January and February, the months filled with fun-filled activities and patriotic fervor. The month began with students coming back refreshed after a short winter break.
Mary Ward Week was celebrated from 23rd to 30th January with great joy and love. Various house-wise and class-wise competitions were conducted both senior and primary wing.
A community service program was organized for our student at St. Mary's Hospital, Mauranipur. The student visited the hospital, generously giving the time and reaching out to people through act of kindness and compassion. The visit helped them to grow in empathy, social responsibility, and service to others.
Another feather was added to the cap when Ojasvi Singh Chauhan of class 11C won the national level medal for karate. It was a moment of pride for the school to witness such talents.
Class 8A conducted a meaningful prayer assembly under the able guidance of Miss Alishi Masih to honor our foundress Mother Mary Ward's birth anniversary. The students showcased a very informative and enthusiastic assembly, which started with a graceful prayer dance setting a reflective tone. A captivating skit followed showcasing her courage and dedication to education of young girls. The assembly included prayers seeking her guidance, highlighting her remarkable journey. Her 5 C's guided her work: compassion to serve others, character to lead with integrity, competence to innovate and serve, conscience to guide her decisions, and commitment to her vision. The assembly concluded with a call to action, urging us to embody her values in our daily lives, serving others with love and kindness.
Art and Science exhibition was organized for the entire school on 24th January in conjunction with the parents-teacher meeting. The exhibition showcased a wide range of creative and innovative exhibits prepared by the students. The display reflected the students' imagination, scientific temperaments, and artistic skills.
The senior wing celebrated the 77th Republic Day with great honor and pride. The celebrations began with our principal and manager unfurling the national flag, followed by a special prayer assembly by Class 8B under the able guidance of Mrs. Aradhna Nelson. The assembly included patriotic songs, inspiring skits, poetry recitation by the students, highlighting the significance of the day. The program was accompanied by an impressive parade presented by the NCC cadets, which filled the atmosphere with patriotic fervor and pride.
The primary wing celebrated Republic Day with great enthusiasm and patriotic spirit. The special assembly begins with vibrant performance, patriotic songs, short speeches, and inspiring messages. Their presentation highlighted the importance of Indian Constitution and value of unity, equality, and freedom that form the foundation of our democracy.
On the occasion of Republic Day, our school was honored as the best school for cleanliness, and trophy was received by the principal from the Cantonment Board Jhansi. The award was presented by the CEO, Jhansi Cantonment, Shri Abhishek Azad IDS. The achievement was dedicated to our support staff by the school management for their tireless efforts.
Under the inspiring banner of Amar Ujala, our school organized an awareness program, Police Ki Pathshala program, on 20th January in collaboration with the local police administration. The program aimed to create awareness among the students through direct interaction with police officers. The SSP Jhansi, BBGTS Murthy Sir, was the chief guest and the main speaker of the day. He motivated the students by sharing practical and valuable guidelines relevant to their lives. The objective of the program was to educate students about traffic rules, cyber safety, and good conduct as the role of responsible citizens.
Students of class UKG-A presented a motivational assembly on the topic Never Give Up under the able guidance of their class teacher, Mrs. Rajni Roberts. They beautifully conveyed the message of how small progress every day leads to big results, and encouraged everyone to keep trying again and again. Their presentation was thoughtful and encouraging, thus spreading the message of determination.
The junior wing conducted a special assembly on January 30th to commemorate the death anniversary of Mary Ward, the founder of our institution. The assembly highlighted her inspiring vision and strong values. The students presented the Mary Ward Compass through meaningful enactments, showcasing values such as sincerity, justice, freedom, and peace.
A Housewives Mary Ward quiz was organized to commemorate the death anniversary of our foundress Mary Ward. The quiz was well conducted with enthusiastic participation. Through their active involvement, students reflect the spirit of Mary Ward.
The Class 12th farewell, held on 31st January on the theme Ad Astra, meaning to the stars, was a dazzling celebration of memories, achievements, and aspirations. The event captured the essence of bidding goodbye while looking forward to new journeys with hope and confidence. The evening began with lively performances that filled the hall with energy and excitement. Class 11 students showcased their talent to honor their seniors, while the seniors themselves added a heartfelt touch by singing soulful songs that echoed nostalgia and gratitude. Towards the end, an emotional and inspiring speech was given by our head girl, who expressed gratitude on behalf of the outgoing batch, encouraging her batchmates to reach the stars.
On 31st January, our school band rocked the stage at Mukta Kashi Manch on Jhansi Day, and it was truly a phenomenal performance. They represented our institution with great pride in front of the esteemed officials, and we couldn't be prouder. The band's captivating performance left the audience mesmerized, showcasing the incredible talent and dedication of our students. As a token of appreciation for their outstanding performance, the band was presented with a memento by the dignitaries. The moment was met with thunderous applause, and our band members beamed with pride, knowing they have brought glory to our school. Kudos to the band for an unforgettable performance. February 2026, Class 12 students gave their first board examination of psychology after a year full of preparation and learning. As the examination continues, we wish them all the best for the exams and may their hard work pays off.
The Young Scientist Talent Hunt was organized for the students of classes 6 to 11. The competition witnessed active participation and showcased remarkable scientific curiosity, creativity, and innovation among the students. After the completion of all elimination rounds, 9 teams were selected for the final round held on 13 February. The event was both encouraging and intellectually inspiring for students. On 20th February, the JPIC Club celebrated the Day of Social Justice by expressing the importance of justice and equality. The students solemnly pledged to uphold the values of fairness and respect for all.
Thanksgiving Day was observed on 21st February as the academic year draws to a close and the annual examinations commence on 23rd February. On this meaningful occasions, the students of Class 8D and 4B gracefully led the assembly, inspiring everyone to thank God for the abundant blessings received throughout the session.
The primary wing concluded academic year with great enthusiasm through engaging debate and speech competitions. Students confidently expressed their views on various topics, showcasing their critical thinking skills. The competition contributed significantly to the overall development of the students, making the academic session meaningful and memorable.
As the academic session comes to an end, students prepare for their upcoming annual examination starting from 24th February. We wish everyone all the best and may their hard work pay off.
That's all for the months of January and February. Stay tuned for more updates. Till then, take care and best of luck.